Ever stepped on a scale, saw the number, and immediately blamed the pizza, the lighting, and gravity? Yeah, same, but what if your scale actually told you why that number exists? Today we're checking out the Scale MD Pro and whether it's a real health tool or just another fancy bathroom decoration. If you've been searching for a smarter way to track your body, I tested this one so you don't waste your time. Stick till the end because this might change how you look at your scale forever. First thing you notice, this isn't your basic step on, cry silently, step off scale. The Scale MD Pro uses 8 electrode sensors, which means it reads your body from multiple contact points instead of guessing from your feet alone. In real use, that usually translates to more consistent readings when checking weight, body fat, muscle mass, hydration, and other metrics. And yeah, it tracks a lot of measurements, not just weight. We're talking muscle percentage, visceral fat, body water, protein levels, BMI, even estimated body age. Basically, it doesn't just say you gained weight, it says where it came from. The OLED display is bright and easy to read, no squinting half awake at 6 a.m. and the app sync is smooth. Step on, data shows up, charts track progress over time. Useful if you actually want to see trends instead of guessing whether your gym week worked. Multiple user support also helps so families or roommates don't overwrite each other's stats. Compared to simpler smart scales with only a few sensors, this one aims for full body composition tracking. Not just surface level numbers. Basic models usually give weight, plus BMI. This one goes deeper into muscle, fat distribution, hydration, and long-term tracking, more like a home wellness monitor than just a scale. That said, like most body composition scales, readings can still vary slightly depending on hydration or time of day, so it's best for tracking progress trends, not obsessing over single readings. So is the Scale MD Pro worth using? If you only care about your weight, honestly a basic scale will do. But if you want deeper health insights, progress tracking, and a smarter view of what's happening inside your body, this one actually makes sense. It's the difference between number go up, sad, and muscle up, fat down, okay, gym wasn't pointless. If you want smarter health tracking at home, this is definitely one to consider. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.